The sensational third annual convention of Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe will be held at Renaissance Callum Hall, Newark, Nottinghamshire on 12th of November 2022. I am Dr. Nadeem Sajjad Raja, Treasurer and Acting Social Secretary of Association of Pakistani Physicians of Northern Europe, appne. Appne invites you to take seat and prepare for an experience of scientific session in 12 different specialties, including Psychiatry Congress, exhibition of designer clothes, jewelry, finance companies, property developer in the big marquee, live performance of After the Dinner, famous Pakistani singer sahiralibagga, and performance of some local artists as well, networking with fellow doctors, and above all, several eminent personalities from General Medical Council, from British Medical Association, College of Physicians and Surgeons of Pakistan, other doctors organizations such as Indian, Nigerian, Bangladeshi, Egyptian doctors, Pakistani government officials as well as UK government officials will be in attendance. The doctors community has never seen like this before. So you are welcome at Apni third annual convention. The tickets are fast selling. Please book your ticket as early as possible. Thank you very much.